Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we already completed our first two challenges for advanced flow for Agentforce, let's take up our third challenge now, which is refactor a flow for Agentforce compatibility. So once if you click on launch, click on refund flow so that you will get this kind of page. So now click on deactivate and followed by save as new version. And in save as, click on a new flow and let's give the flow label from here. If you scroll up, so it is right over here, so I'm just gonna copy this name and paste it. Let's copy our description as well. Copy this and paste it. Now click on save. And now if you click on this toggle bar, you will find new resource. Click on new resource and then come back, copy this, which is verified contact ID, and select resource type as variable and paste the API name. Let's copy our description as well, paste it over there, and for data type choose text and click available for input. Now click on done and now click on get current order, and in field remove these fields and choose number. You will get order number equals, for value we are gonna give order number again, and click on add condition. So for this field let's give authorized, so it is customer authorized by ID equals, and for value give ID, verified contact ID. And now let's close this and click on get order line item. If you scroll down, remove our second condition and give product name. Operator should be equal, for value give same product name. So once if it is done, close this as well. And now let's click on plus next to get order line item and add a decision. Let's go back and here just copy this label, which is did we find a matching, and then come back, give the label. Let's copy our description as well, come back and paste it over here. And for label, let's copy our first label and paste it and click on default outcome. Let's change this label, which is this, copy and click on default, paste it. And next to this outcome order you will find a plus, so just click on new outcome and we will give a label for that as well. Copy this and paste it over here. And now let's do one thing for keeping this in a given sequence. Let's cut this and go to second label. First remove the API name and then label and provide our third copied label. And then now let's come back here, copy our third label and give it over here. So anything should be fine, either we are keeping in before sequence or in the right sequence as per our challenge, but we have to make sure whatever the element we are adding should be under that particular sequence. While being in a first outcome order, let's give our resource get current outcome order, choose this, and then if you scroll down you will find order ID. So for that I'm going to type order. If you scroll there will be order ID at second, so choose that, and then for value give false, and operator should be is null. Click on add condition and here search for get order, search for line item, so it should be get order line item, and then now search for order product ID and choose it. So for operator let's give is null, and for value give it as false. And now let's click on second outcome. For this condition search as get current order followed by order ID. Operator should be is null, for value give it as false, and then click on add condition. So here type as line item, get order line item, and then product ID, and choose order product ID. Operator should be is null and give value as true, and just close this. And if we see, close this toolbox as well, we will find create refund order. Click on three dot next to it followed by cut element, and we are going to paste it under this s found order plus line, which is our first decision. And now click on create refund order. Let's go back and copy this create refund request label, and first remove our API name and then just paste the label. Let's copy our description and paste it over there. If you scroll down, for object just select refund request, and now let's set the fields. So just click 4 times and let's set our first field as account, and for value choose get current order, so order from get current order followed by account ID, give it as account ID, and then for second field it should be amount, and for value give it as line item, order product from get order line item followed by total price, and for third field enter comments, and here refund reason. Let's add date over here, and for value let's give interview, running flow interview followed by current date, and then for next field let's give refund request name, and here as well the same refund request name, and let's give order, and for value let's give current order, order from get current order followed by order ID. And now let's close this and click on three dots next to create refund request. Click on add fault path, and next to the fault click on plus followed by create records. Let's choose this and let's go back, and if we see here we are having the name, so just copy this and paste it over here. Let's copy our description as well. And for how to set record, give manually, and for object let's give case. Let's set our field contact ID and verified contact ID, and click on add field, choose description, and for value click on new resource and give it as text template, and here give case description. Let's give capital T, and let's go back, copy this description and go back, copy the body text and give it in this box. So once if it is done, click on done and click on this add field twice. In first field let's give status, value should be new, and let's give subject. Let's go back, copy the subject which is over here and paste it in the value. And now scroll down, choose this box manually assign variable, and for variable give case ID, and let's close this now. If we scroll down you will find put refund ID into variable, just delete this element, and above to that we will be seeing get newly created refund. Just cut this element and scroll up, we have to paste it next to create refund request, and now click on get newly created refund. Let's go back and copy this name, let's give it a label. Before that make sure to delete the API name, and now let's copy our description and then come back. So for object give it as refund request, and let's give our field name now. So it should be record ID which is equals refund request from create refund request. So once if it is done, let's scroll down, and how to store record data, choose the third option and then scroll down. For record select refund request out and again scroll down, and for field give amount, click on add field, give order, click on add field twice, give comment and then name. Now let's close this and let's go to our second decision. So click on plus next to this found only order and add get records. Let's go back. So here we can see get order line items on found order. Copy this and paste it over here. Let's copy our description and paste. So for object let's give order product, and for field choose order ID. for value give current, and you will get current order followed by order ID. And scroll down, give all records over here, and then choose the third option, scroll down. So here give order products, again scroll down. For field, let's give product name, and click on add field, order item number. Now let's close this. Let's go to our third found no order, click on add element and get records. Let's go back. So here copy this, get this contacts order, come back, paste it over here. Before that, make sure that API name, and now let's copy our description. For object give order, for condition let's give authorized, customer authorized by ID and verified contact ID, and then short order give descending, create date, and here choose all records up to specified limit and give it as 5. Scroll down, choose the third option, choose field and assign variables. So for record collection, click on new resource and select type as variable, and API name, let's go back, it should be customer orders. Copy this and paste it over here. Let's copy our description and paste. For data type, let's give record, and object let's give order, and here check this allow multiple values, click on done. Now scroll down, and here in field let's give created date and click on add field name, add field, and then order number, instant click close. And if we come back to this toolbox, here search for record ID, click on the greater than symbol and then click on delete, and now search for product ID, again click on the greater than symbol, click on delete, and now search for refund number and delete that as well. Finally click on save followed by activate. And now let's come back. In quick find, search for agent and click on Agentforce agent and click on ESSO. Open in builder, and here click on new, add from assert library. Let's close this. Click on new topic, click next, and now let's go back. So here just copy and paste the exact thing whatever has been mentioned. Enter name. So here we go, we have added all the instruction by clicking on add instruction. Now click on next. Now click on finish, and by clicking on this refund process, go to this topic section followed by new, create new action. So for that let's give flow as action type and refund request flow. Click on next and let's enter loading text as loading, and then click on all require input and show in conversation. Require input, show in conversation, and require input, require input. So now click on finish, and now let's click on activate. Meanwhile, let's go back to our refund request flow and here search for customer, and click on customer orders followed by edit. Choose available for output followed by done, and now close this and again search for order product which is already over there. I'm just gonna click on this followed by edit, select both of this available for input and output, click on done, and now choose save as new version followed by save, and don't forget to activate. Click on activate, and yeah, we are finally done with our challenge 3. Let's scroll down and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge. Just one thing, while selecting any of the order ID, make sure, like for an example here we are selecting an order ID. After choosing the current order we are giving an ID, but then if we are scrolling down there will be two order IDs. So one will be under this relationship field and one will be under record field. Make sure we are choosing the record field so that you will not get any error. So if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.